Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is HAZARITH bin Abu Bakar, metric number AA190846 from Group 16. Today, we're going to presenting an engineering statistics for data of books. This is the introduction of the PBL, problem-based learning. Statistics are applied in the term of specific discipline, for example, social, manufacturing, government, humanity, and business marketing. For ungrouped data, is not properly organized. It is a raw data. It's not sorted by group or classified in category. After collection, group data is the type of that is classified into group after the ungrouped data. The primary goal of the table is to display the data point to occur in each category. So moving on the term in statistics, which is mode, median, and mean. Mean is the same of the average, which is calculated by adding all the numbers and then dividing to the numbers of the digits that have. Median is the value at the middle of the number. In order to find median, is arrange the number in numerically from smallest to largest, and then you have the middle one. For the mode value is the most frequently occurring value, which is a number that repeats many times in a data. Lastly is a standard deviation, is a summary by measurement of how far each observation divides from the mean.
Very good day to Professor Nafisa, to my groupmates, and to my fellow friends. My name is DAVSON HOWEL. Today I'm gonna talk about the problem statement and the fill-out table. As for the problem statement, by referring to the module, we are given the list of names of students in our class, and we are supposed to find the information, either the number of siblings, number of vehicles owned by the family, number of shoes we have, numbers of rooms in our house, and etc. For the fill-out table, fill-out stands for facts, ideas, learning issues, and actions. We've built the table by using the fill-out rules. So for the first columns, the facts, number 1, the list of names of students is given. Number 2, the students are from my class. Number 3, the data collected are based on the students' informations. For the second columns, the ideas. For the first idea, the data are gathered by using the Google Forms. And as we all know that different students might have different data. For the third column, the learning issues. The first learning issue is going to be what is the mean of the data collected. The second one, what is the median of the data collected? Number 3, what is the mode of the data collected? And last but not least, what is the standard deviation of the data collected? For the last column, which is the resources needed, we've been using 3 resources, which are number 1, the internet, number 2, the math textbook, and number 3, the Google Forms data itself. And that is all from me. Thank you.
Hello there, my name is DUGASA. My metric number is AA190046. Right now, I will show you the table of the group data that we collected. For the first row, the class limit is 1 until 5, the lower boundary is 0.5, the class midpoint x is 3, and the frequency f out of 59, the fx is 177, the cumulative frequency is 59. For the second row, 6 until 10, for the class limit, the lower boundary is 5.5, the class midpoint for the x is 8, the frequency for the f is 49, the fx is 392, the cumulative frequency is 108. For the third row, for the class limit is the 11 until the 15, the lower boundary is 10.5, the class midpoint for the x is 13, the frequency f for the 25, the fx is 335, the cumulative frequency is 133. For the fourth row, 16 until 20, for the class limit, the lower boundary is 15.5, the class midpoint for the x is 18, the frequency f is 13 and the fx is 252. The cumulative frequency is 146. And the last row, the class limit 21 until 35. The lower boundary is 20.5. The class midpoint for the x is 23. The frequency f is 3. The fx is 69. The cumulative frequency is 149. And for the total of the frequency for the f is 149, and the total for the fx is 1215.
So now I'm going to talk about the mean. So what is mean? Mean basically in statistics, it is a measure of central tendency of a probability distribution along median and mode. It is also referred to as expected value. So the mean based on the given data is by this formula. So x equals to the total of frequency multiplied by class midpoint divided by the total frequency, so that you will get 1215 divided by 149. That gives you an equal of 8.15.
And let's move on to the mode. What is mode? Mode is the value that occur most frequency or the highest frequency in a data set. Okay, let's go through the given data for the mode. For the mode class, L is the lower boundary. For the mode class is 0.5. The C is the class-wide is equal to 5. The dB is the different frequency between the mode class and before it. And dA is the different frequency between the mode class and the class after it, which means 59 minus 49 equal to 10. Okay, let's go through again to the formula for the mode. The formula for the mode is L plus C multiply dB over dB minus dA. And the formula will replace with the number will be 0.5 plus 5 multiply 59 over 59 minus 49, and we calculate that we get for the mode is 4.7. Thank you.
What is median? Median class. So median is the middle number in a sorted ascending or descending list of numbers and can be more descriptive of that data set than the average. So the median based on the given data is by this following formula. So the formula is 10.5 plus with 5 multiplied by 149 divided by 2, subtract with 59 and divided by 49. That gives you an equal of 12.08.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ASHRAFFI bin Dewi and Muhammad SOFFIAN, and my metric number is AA191541. So today I will to talk about the standard deviation. Okay, firstly we talk about the definition. Standard deviation S squared, which measure the degree of dispersion of all data from mean. Okay, we go to the formula. S squared equal to 1 over assumption f minus 1 times assumption fx squared minus assumption fx squared over assumption of f. So we put the number in this formula. S squared equal to 1 over 148 times to 13,691 minus 1,215 squared over 149. So from there we get the S equal to square root 25.56, and from there we will get the S, the result, the S equal to 5.06.
Hi, my name is IRFAN AQIL bin AZMI. My matrix number is AA191177. So I will present for the last part, which is conclusion. So through the data collection and sampling, this course introduces statistics as one of the tools used in decision making. Statistics is an important tool in the engineering world for robustness analysis, measurement system error analysis, test data analysis, probability risk assessment, and many other fields. statistical analysis for a real-world lab result was performed by using industry standard software. So that's all from my group. Thank you.